Hi class, welcome to Unit 2 in Physical Science B. We're going over forces. So I just wanted to give you a little preview. So you're right here. You'll start with lesson 6 and go through to lesson 10 in this unit. So we will have our typical discussion board, video assignment, and project. Just a preview on that. Our discussion board will be talking about airbags. You guys can look up the science behind it. You're welcome to watch a video. However you want to do that, you're welcome to. And so after researching the science, these are some of the things that we'll discuss, some drawbacks, some benefits. And do you think they should be mandatory in American cars? So maybe some data that supports your decision either way. And maybe if you have some ideas on how you can improve them or how they have been improved. And then, so that's just what you'll share. And I had a little fun with my banner there. Moving on to your project options. Once again, we do have a virtual and a hands-on lab option. So I do recommend the virtual project for most students, but if you're doing honors or just love doing hands-on projects, you're more than welcome to do the hands-on option. The thing that I like about the virtual project, this one has a little more of a write-up. I did try to highlight in blue so that you could see where you needed to respond or what you needed to respond to. So this has a summary. You'll explain your observations and how that supports Newton's first law. And then you'll do that same thing for the second law. So that part kind of gets forgotten. So I tried to highlight that in blue and bold it so you could find those easier, the parts that you needed to respond to. So yeah, that's the whole thing there actually. So I think it kind of goes quick. I do have a video going way into detail, so if you need more help, but this is part of the simulation. You'll have some more options where you add friction and kind of experiment with that and how that works, and acceleration and things like that. And I show you how to do everything. So that'll be closer to that point, but that's that option. And then for your hands-on lab for honor students or people who love the hands-on, you get to do a parachute aid project. So I did make a video of this one, and I made my Girl Scouts and daughter do it with me because I thought it was good for them at the time. It's always good. It's fun to do science. So you'll want some hard-boiled eggs, a bag of some sort that you can use for the parachute, some string. You can use dental floss. Most people have that around if you get your teeth cleaned regularly. Some way to get it through, make a hole or punch or cut and then tape it, however you want to do it. Be creative. Don't make it take too long. I know we made it take a really long time. Tried to be a little too much of a perfectionist there. But anyway, have fun with it and enjoy learning about Newton's laws. And I think you'll really like playing with the simulation, and it'll help you understand them a lot more. So that's kind of why I like this, because you get to really work with it and understand what happens if I do this? What happens if I add more weight? What happens if I add more force? What happens if I reduce the friction or increase the friction? I love that they put ice. So that's why I like it. Yeah, so hopefully that helps, and good luck with Unit 2. Let me know if you need anything. Bye.